Good day everyone, I am Raymond P. Vergara from BEd 3A. Now, I will be discussing Teacher as a Person in Authority, Commonwealth Act number 578. Person in authority. A person in authority is directly vested with jurisdiction, whether as an individual or a member, some court or governmental corporation, board or commission. The power to govern, execute the laws, and administer justice is also a person in authority. So there are some examples of a person in authority. We have municipal mayor, municipal councilor, public and private school teachers, president of sanitary division, provincial fiscal, judges, division of superintendent of schools, punong barangay and sangguniang barangay members. And also, the members of the Lupang Tagapamayapa, professors, and lawyers. Now let's move on to Commonwealth Act number 578 or CA 578. So Commonwealth Act number 578 was enacted on June 8, 1940. This law recognizes supervisors, teachers, and professors of public and recognized private school as a person in authority. It was an act to amend Article 152 of the revised penal code so as to include teachers, professors, and persons charged with the supervision of public and duly recognized private schools, colleges, and universities within the term person in authority. Next is next is So, in Section 1, Article 152 of Act number 300,815, known as the Revised Penal Code, is amended to read as follows. Article 152, persons in authority who shall be deemed as such, in applying the provision of the preceding and other articles of this code. Any persons directly vested with jurisdiction, whether as an individual, governmental corporation, board, or commission, shall be deemed in person in authority. So next is the Commonwealth Act number 578. So, in applying the provisions of Articles 148 and 151 of this code, teachers, professors, and persons charged with the supervision of public or duly recognized private schools, colleges, and universities shall be deemed persons in authority. So, next is Section 2. So, according in Section 2, this act shall be take effect on its approval. Next is Commonwealth Act number 578 protects teachers by providing a provision on punishment against any person guilty of assault against teaching personnel according to due respect and protection for teachers who are considered as persons in authority. So this act also provides a penalty to any person found guilty of assault upon this teaching, personal imprisonment ranging from 6 months and 1 day to 6 years, and a fine of 500 to 1,000 pesos. So teachers as a person in authority, in essence, teachers are not persons in authority since they are not directly vested with the power to govern and execute laws, but by legal fiction because of the provision of Commonwealth Act 578 duly amended by Article 152 of the Revised Penal Code. Teachers became persons in authority. So, by the phrase directly vested with jurisdiction is meant the power or authority to govern and execute laws, particularly the authority vested in the judges to administer justice, that is, try civil or criminal cases or both, and to render judgment in accordance with laws or People versus Mendoza. So that's all. Thank you.